Treat a stuffy nose and cough with no medicine. Cough and cold is a usual combination, especially for kids in cold weather. Besides constantly coughing and sneezing throughout the day, it is even more irritating when you want to sleep so badly but can't. Your stuffy nose won't let you breathe through your nose and your throat keeps on itching. If you have been taking your medication for quite some time now but it does not help solve your problem, it is time to stop taking them, as they may even do more harm than good. If you or anyone you know is experiencing this dreadful combination, read the tips below on how you can treat stuffy nose and cough without the need to intake medicine. What you will need: menthol rub, saline spray, plenty of water, drink plenty of water. Stay away from other drinks that may cause your throat to itch even more, like fresh fruit juices with pulps. Drink lukewarm water instead, 8 to 10 glasses of it per day to soften the mucus. If you feel that your throat is starting to itch, have a sip of water immediately. Use saline spray. For your stuffy nose, spray saline solution on each nostril twice. This should relieve your nose from all the mucus that block your airway. If there are more of you in the family that is experiencing clogged nose, have a separate saline spray for each person. Apply menthol rub on your chest. The minty smell helps ease breathing through stuffy nose. Apply some on your chest before going to bed. You can also have someone apply a small amount on your back. You can buy menthol rubs like Vicks in drugstores. Turn on the hot shower. Go to the shower and turn it to the hottest setting possible. No, you are not going to scald yourself to death. Just remain on the sides on the shower, away from the hot water as it runs. Close the doors and windows and let the steam cover the entire bathroom. The steam should help soften the mucus, enabling you to blow your nose easier. Stay in the bathroom for 10 minutes and blow your nose softly. Get plenty of rest. As much as possible, do not go out of the house. Stay at home and get as much rest as you can. Going out will expose you to dusts, pollution, and other allergens that might aggravate your cough and cold more. Have some hot soup. The steam from the hot soup will help lessen the itch in your throat, and the steam will ease the clog in your nose. Use extra pillows. When going to bed, put an extra pillow under your head to elevate it. This should help you with your breathing. If you are a smoker, stop smoking. Keep away from allergens that might have caused your cough and cold in the first place. Exposure to these will only worsen the situation. After 3 days and you still have cough and cold? Consult a doctor and have him check you.